Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Unplugged with Prashum. So friends, recently I visited to my office for a 24-hour long hackathon, and in that hackathon I got one surprise kit, the supercharger kit. So friends, in this video we will unbox this supercharger kit and see what all items we will get inside it. So let's get started. So friends, here we have our supercharger kit. So let's open it and see what all surprises we will get inside it. So the first thing which we have here is a Algosec t-shirt. So let's open it. So this is a t-shirt which is of very good quality, and here we have our company logo Algosec, and if we will rotate it, then here we can say here we have our hackathon name Algomaina 2024, and with that here we have one line innovating the future with a logo. So this t-shirt is very simple and looking very good. So friends, second thing which we get inside this kit is our sleep mask. So here we have our customized sleep mask in which is written recharge and with the Algosec logo. So this you can put your on your eyes and take a break. And after that we have this wireless charger. So friends, here we have our 3-in-1 desktop wireless charger. So let's unbox it. So here we have our warranty card, and with that here we have our type C to USB cable for charging, and here we have our wireless charger and it's customizable, and you can see we have a take a minute to supercharge and with the Algosec logo. So in this we have a 3 charger. Here you can charge your mobile, and here you can charge your watch, and here you can put your earphones for charging. And with that here we have this manual guide, and it's a 15-watt charger. And with that here we have this dental kit in which it's written refresh. So if I will open it, so here we will get one toothbrush and one toothpaste, and after that we get one energy drink Red Bull, and after that we got some chocolates and mint and the Fanta Fresh. And at last we get this sticker which you can stick on your laptops. So friends, these all are the items which we get inside this kit. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.